Tired of your bulky washer and dryer eating up all your laundry room space? What if one smart tower could do it all: wash, dry, save space, and look sleek while doing it? Meet the LG WashTower, the all-in-one laundry solution turning heads in 2025. In this review, we all break down if it is truly the game changer it claims to be, or just clever marketing in a vertical format. Product overview. The LG WashTower is a revolutionary 2-inch -1 laundry center, combining a full-size front-load washer and dryer into a single vertical unit built by tech powerhouse LG Electronics. First released in 2025 and updated with smart features for 2024 and 2025, the WashTower targets urban homeowners, apartment dwellers, and families who need efficiency without sacrificing capacity or tech. Why does it matter? Traditional stacked units feel clunky and outdated. The WashTower offers a seamless interface, shared intelligence between washer and dryer, and a stunningly modern profile, all in a space-saving footprint. Performance, real-world use, smooth, quiet, and smarter than you'd expect. The 4.5 cu feet washer and 7.4 cu ft dryer work in tandem. And thanks to LG's AI Direct Drive, the washer automatically detects load weight and fabric softness, adjusting cycles for optimal results. The dryer communicates with the washer to select the best drying cycle without any input. Clothes come out clean, evenly dried, and with fewer wrinkles on heavy-duty cycles. For busy households, the TurboWash 360 feature can finish a full load in under 30 minutes. And yes, it passed the toddler clothes, gym gear, and king-size bedding tests with flying colors. What really stands out is how quiet the WashTower runs, thanks to low decibel technology.
Damn.
Even at full spin, it barely hums, perfect for apartments or open-plan homes. Features and tech. Let's talk tech, because this is where the LG WashTower shines. AI sensor wash and smart dry. The washer uses advanced sensors to customize wash cycles based on load type. Then it hands off to the dryer, which sets the ideal dry mode automatically. Center control panel. Unlike typical stacked units, the WashTower has a single, easy-to-reach panel in the middle. Intuitive and totally accessible. Think app integration, remotely start cycles, get status updates, and even download custom wash programs. Voice control works with Alexa and Google Assistant too. TurboWash 360 and steam technology. Get rapid, deep cleaning with 5 water jets. The built-in steam also helps reduce allergens and wrinkles, great for sensitive skin or workwear. Compared to older stackable models, the WashTower is faster, smarter, and more convenient across the board. Design and build. The WashTower is built to impress. Its brushed steel or matte black finish fits right into high-end interiors. At just 27 inches wide, it's sleek enough for tight spaces, yet boasts full-size capacities. The standout design element? That center control panel. Positioned at a comfortable height, it eliminates the awkward reach that plagues traditional stacked setups. You get a premium stainless steel drum, smooth glide doors, and LED displays that feel more like a luxury appliance than a utility box. Even the door hinges and seals feel high-end and durable. This isn't just a machine, it's a design statement. Pros: full-size capacity, compact design, smart AI, wash and dry cycles quiet. Premium performance, easy access, center control. Cons: higher upfront price than traditional setups. App connectivity can lag occasionally. Price and value: at around $2,500 to $3,000, the LG WashTower sits firmly in the premium category. But when you consider it replaces to high-end appliances and adds smart tech, ergonomic design, and energy efficiency, the value becomes clear. Many US homeowners find it pays off in convenience, lower utility bills, and freed up space. Compared to buying separate washer-dryer units with similar specs, the WashTower may actually save you money long-term. Sales and rebates are often available through Home Depot, Lowe's, and Best Buy, especially during national holidays. Setup and installation. Installation is relatively simple, but don't try to DIY unless you are confident with venting and power connections. The unit requires a 240 volts outlet for the dryer and proper ventilation clearance in the back. Professional installation is highly recommended, and many retailers offer bundled delivery and setup services. Just measure your space carefully. The unit is 74.4 inches tall, so make sure your laundry nook can handle it vertically. Final verdict. The LG WashTower isn't just a space saver, it's a time-saving, life-simplifying smart appliance that redefines what laundry can look like in a modern home. With its full-size capabilities, intuitive controls, and intelligent fabric care, it checks all the boxes for premium performance and thoughtful design. Yes, the price tag may raise eyebrows, but if you're ready to invest in top-tier performance, aesthetics, and convenience, the WashTower delivers in spades. For anyone renovating, downsizing, or just craving an upgrade, the LG WashTower is a brilliant buy that genuinely makes laundry feel less like a chore